Hey guys, I just came back from Manly's farm because we just went out there to check out his farm for the bonfire. Anyway, on Tuesday we cleaned out the two. Sorry, those are last week's notes. The electronics board group finished all internal connections, and they're trying to they and the software group are trying to reflash the CRIO. The Interfactor group finished the dumper, and they almost finished the kicker. They just need to connect the pneumatics tubes. Like, it's all set up. They just need to actually do the connecting. The drivetrain group, they met on Thursday to get the drivetrain ready. Chairman's group finished with half of the essay. Software group, they completed the BunnyBot code. They just need to test it. They need to reflash the CRIO. Super tester group made a list of what needs to be done, and then the animation group, they're almost done with modeling. On Friday, the electronics group, board group, they check the connections, and they just need to. They're like almost done. They're starting to get integrated with the drivetrain. All they need to do now is to make sure that there's nothing from the electrical board that'll get in the way of the drivetrain, and vice versa. The end effector group, they mounted the kicker. They just need to get it pneumatically wired up, and then everything will be good to go. The drivetrain group, they finished the frame. They finished the frame on Thursday. They're pretty much set. The group of people working on SolidWorks, they did some practicing. Some of them started learning how to extrude, just giving everything depth, essentially. So you have sketching, which creates the parts on a 2D plane, and then extruding puts them into a 3D one. Software group reflashed the CRIO. Super tester group, they completely finished the BOM, which is the bill of materials, waiting for approval. And they need to do function testing. So it's basically, if we're going to mass produce these, we need some way to debug them, otherwise we'll be selling faulty products, and that's not good. And then animation worked on their models. So, yesterday was the Doctor Who 50th anniversary viewing, and that was pretty awesome. We made almost $800, just from concessions and stuff. So that was pretty great. Well, a lot of people liked the episode. Actually, pretty much everyone who went there liked the episode. Yeah, it was a lot of fun. It was at the Oddfellows Hall, and the people there said that we were really respectful and stuff, so that's always good. And, yeah. So, anyway, I just came back from, as I said earlier, Manly's farm. Everything, pretty much, okay, so at Manly's farm there is a burn pile, and we're planning on using that for the main part of the bonfire. There's a bunch of debris still lying around, like leaves. Those need to get taken care of, otherwise we're just going to set ourselves on fire, and that's not fun for anybody. The fire department I believe it's already been contacted. We're going to contact them again just to make sure. The only thing left is to contact the other first teams, and then get everything prepared. That's all there is left to it, and so it's a lot of work, but we can get it done. It's a potluck. It's this Saturday. My bad. So it's this Saturday. It's going to be at around 5. Cleaning is actually going to start much earlier than that. It's a potluck, so everybody brings stuff, like marshmallows. And this Tuesday is the Toy Factory fundraiser. That's from 6:30 to 8:30. We get 10% of the sales. We have people doing gift wrapping, and it's also for gift wrapping for tips. I'm not sure if we'll actually make a lot of money off of it because it is only 10%. But I'm really impressed with the Doctor Who viewing. We got a lot of money off of that. Anyway, this week is really just more This week is just really more integration. there's not a lot left. There's there's an FLL, like, okay, so FLL, it's they have this board, and it's a competition board, and like, we're being asked to have people come in, or we're being asked to go over there and help set up all the boards and stuff. So we're going to hopefully have people do that. We just have a lot of stuff going on. Like, it's mainly just for outreach. Anyway, I hope you guys have been doing well. It's been fairly nice. The weather's been getting really cold. Like, it's been going below freezing, but there hasn't been any rain, so it doesn't snow. I hope you guys have a nice week, and happy Thanksgiving.